The SmartPad cable reel system makes it easier to manoeuvre around the control cabinet, as there are no concerns regards tripping over loose cables. Not having to move cables out of the way means not diluting the robot programming experience. As the cable is managed by the cable reel, more time can be spent concentrating on the SmartPad. Only 3 installation tools are required, and a small inventory of installation accessories is needed, which are supplied. The cable length to withdrawal stop is determined by the user for maximum efficiency, and the cable is retractable, so whilst the length can be dictated by the operator according to the task at hand, it can be immediately retracted back into the cable reel unit safely and efficiently. Using the cable reel makes life a lot easier for the trainee when carrying out the programming exercises, as they are free to concentrate on the exercise rather than worry about the cable management. Using the SmartPad cable reel improves health and safety standards because it eliminates trips and snagging of the cable around people's feet. The SmartPad cable reel also increases efficiency, as you don't have to worry about gathering up cables and recoiling them yourself, as you can simply retract it using the cable reel. So the cost of the SmartPad cable reel is negligent if you consider the cost of a replacement SmartPad should an operator or someone in the factory pull the SmartPad from its holder or off of the controller by tripping over an unmanaged cable. Unmanaged SmartPad cables can lead to downtime in a factory where passing traffic, operators, visitors could trip on an unmanaged cable, and this could potentially damage the SmartPad if it falls.
Orange Intelligenz.